Welcome to Butter to Row. This is the June forecast for the sign of Virgo. So, wow, Virgo. So, while I was shuffling your cards, I don't know if I just said it was for June 2020. While I was shuffling your cards, a lot of things emerged. And what I saw was that I saw opposite things happening. Like I saw, that you are powerful, and there's no doubt about the power that you have within yourself, and the decisiveness, and how you are able to radically change your way of living. But what I did see, that there was a yin yang about that decision process, that sometimes it stems from a deep low self-esteem, and other times it comes from your deep intuition, like an inspirational, and then that you have navigated those worlds, two opposite worlds, to make your situation happen. And it looks like that June is a month where you are going to learn to maybe navigate more from the higher self angle. Because we have here amazing, powerful cards. You have the Two of Wands. You have the 10, the what is it called? Higher Arcana, Major Arcana, the Fortune card, the Wheel of Fortune. You have the Knight of Wands in reverse. You have here the Three of Cups, abundance here. You have the Six of Discs, success, in reverse. You have the Six of Cups, also in reverse, and you have the Empress in reverse. So at the bottom of the deck we have the Five of Cups, disappointment, and you have as your Doreen Virtual Healing with the Angels card, new beginnings. Now this is indicating to me that there are so many amazing opportunities that are beginning to take its form in June, and the opportunity that is the most significant that I kept seeing when I was mixing the cards, I kept seeing those yin yang cards, and you might be getting the same result, but how beautiful would it be if you didn't have to go through all the turmoil to get that result. And this is where your support comes in. So the energies of June are so that you can make decisions from your center. You don't have to be like forced or pushed up in a corner, or pressured or threatened to get to the same amazing place. So it is something about trusting who you truly are as a person, and healing that aspect of you thinking that you need to be under that, like under the gun, to make something amazing happen. Basically what you're going to find is that you're genius in June. You're going to find that a lot of the your catalyst may have been come from some kind of disappointment that somebody said about you at one point in your life, or that's just the way human nature sometimes evolve. It is, we feel pressure and we have to get into this area, or do this project, or change this. Basically it seems like that in June you will feel connected, far more connected with yourself and your surroundings, and you will you have the opportunity to really have a better foundation. And this is of course financially, but this is also just within yourself. It is financial, because I said that now 3 times. So things will be looking up financially for some of you, but and many opportunities, but it comes from a different place, and that is your key. That things will happen in your balanced state. Things will happen when you feel nurtured and heard and loved and secure, and you don't have to pressure yourself in any way. So that is your key for June, of learning this and then being rewarded once you learn it, even on a stronger foundation. You will, once you really navigate and find if this is true for you, then you will have success over. Things will be healed and you will be heard at a whole different level. It is almost like day and night. A lot of us, the 6th month is a turnover month, so a lot of us will experience a shift, and this whole period under the pandemic has been a huge opportunity for some of us to shift within and learn to navigate life at in alignment with ourselves and in alignment with the people surrounding us. So the attention that you've put upon yourself and being respectful towards others and honoring others has been a huge lesson. And there's something, whatever lesson comes out of this pandemic for you, these are the golden nuggets that you're to take further into the future and into your now, which is more important. So I see you enjoying life at a whole different level, being able to be present with all the great things, the compliments, the balance, the harmony that is in your life. And for those of you who feel a tremendous amount of anxiety and worry and disappointment and where am I going to be, it is actually at this time that things are vibrating out of your life. Don't judge yourself at this time. Of course, seek help if you need to, but know that this too shall pass, and it's part of your evolution. If it's too strong, of course, seek help. That is, I'm not saying that that you need to do anything by yourself, but just know that give yourself forgiveness and support and love during this time of huge change on a global setting. All these beautiful changes, all these different things are going to leave off with you being an Empress. Now the Empress, I think several signs have pulled this card. This is really a reflection of how we will navigate our lives from now on. So navigation, where we're listening, we take more heart-centered. It sounds all, my son sometimes calls me a hippie. It sounds hippie-ish. Saying it like that, I'm just having a hard time always expressing myself to tell you exactly what. It's hard to express soul words in true words. So it is about navigating things from within on a deeper level and staying true to yourself, knowing, allowing yourself to constantly evolve and transform in a better version of yourself, realizing that of you, that's the card. If you had picked a card, it would have been an animal card. I could totally see it being the swan. You think you're an ugly duckling, and you do so. You try to keep up and try to, look for friends in maybe not in the right places, and then you try to find your true family. Now, true family is where you vibrate at this. You don't have to be the same species. That's totally not what I'm saying. It's where you vibrate, where people honor your vibration and you can honor them. And, we all vibrate at different levels at different times, and we can easily meet with people that, don't normally vibrate in the same. One day you're vibrating on the same frequency. Enjoy. So it's about learning about your frequency. It's about learning about how you navigate in life and learning to navigate and be more gentler on yourself, be more in alignment, and see all the gifts that are to come in June. So Virgo, powerful month, a month where you can expect success to happen on all your planets. You can expect unexpected, shifts in, somebody that hasn't been interested in you or your company or where you work, or if it's a boss or family, they might seem suddenly truly interested. And how do we navigate these times? We navigate it from our higher self. So somebody, you get a great offer, somebody looks at you, this and that. It's also about you removing judgment from them and from yourself. It's about clearing up judgment, knowing how to tune in and find what's right for you and what is wrong for you. So it's basically about navigating your life in a different way that has a higher purpose, that really lets you fulfill things that have been in your heart for a long time, and enjoy fulfilling them. Enjoy your life, giving you gifts that you didn't think were possible before. So I think that is your reading. And I wish you an amazing month. Let me know in the comments down below how this new beginning is going to take shape for you. And I wish you all the best. Take care. Bye.